This is the connection that you're gonna need, and you're gonna want to leave that together so you can get through this video pretty quick. This piece go first, and this piece, then that piece, then that piece. They're gonna stack into each other. Show you something real quick. This, I'm gonna turn it that way basically, and this piece gonna go in there. You're gonna screw in it there. Then you're gonna take this piece here. You're gonna slide it into place right there. Then you're gonna take this last little piece, the connector, and you're gonna screw it right there. All right, get to the video. All right, I got the 20-piece air compressor accessory kit, Husky. That's the part number right there. Let's just say 1003177435. I'm gonna show y'all how to make these connections real quick. I don't want to take a whole lot of your time. It's just sealant tape, but they already have them sealed. They already have it. It comes like that. That's what this red ending in on this nozzle is coupling. So I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. This for your air compressor. Show you how to hook this up real quick. Take all the headache out of it. You see right here, I already got it hooked up. I'm finna dismantle it real quick for you can see. All right, come down here, push down. Yeah, push up, I'm sorry. Push up on it. I'm gonna go back through it, you good. Unscrew. See, look at that. I unscrew that. It's a little connector piece. Make sure you pay attention to this. This the key to all of this, to doing it real quick. Trust me. Unscrew it. Boom. All this comes in the kit. Everything you see comes in the kit. This compressor, I bought this separate. This is what I just used to pump up basketball, car tires, or keep it in the car. Just something real quick and convenient. Not no major air compressor. Let's get back to it. All right. Gonna sit this right here. All these pieces come in the kit. I'm gonna show you. Gonna sit that right there. I'm gonna just sit that right there. Put that to the side. Watch what I do. I'm just gonna unscrew this nozzle in right there. Put it right there. Only thing you gotta do with these, when it comes to the fittings, come back to whatever fitting you're trying to put it on. Just make sure it fit and screw it in just like you screw anything else in. See that? Good. You don't have to do it super tight. That's why the sealing already on there. Let me unscrew that. All right, put that back there. This also a piece separate that comes with the kit though. It's key too, to help you just understand that you can get through this in about 10 seconds. All right, this is the pump. Everybody know what this pump look like. Ain't nothing spectacular about it. You've been seeing this all your life. Real quick, we finna do this. All right, you take this piece I just took off, you take this in, put it in, just like that. Just screw it back in. Simple. Boom, back in there. Take this connector piece right here. Well, no, I'm sorry. Take this piece, settle it in, screw it back in. Yeah, good. See how it's looking? Remember how it looked at first, right? Building it back up. All right. Take your connector, slide it in. Just push down on it. Sorry, push up. Sorry. Push up on this piece right here. See this? This moves. Let me show you. This piece moves. Yeah, damn. Anyway, push it in there. You'll see. It slide right in play. All right. Sorry. We all make mistakes, but we're gonna get this done. Like I said, we ain't gonna take all day with it. Now, back to the little small piece I told you, real important, this little connector piece. Take all the headache out of everything for you. We're dealing with everything in this kit over here. Screw that back in, just like that. Take this piece for your air pump, tires. Just screw it in. Let me slow down, trying to do something too fast. Boom. That's it. Right there. That piece connected. Pump up the tires. Now hold on. Told you I was gonna show you about putting your air pump on here too, right? Just take this piece off. Where that piece at? Where that little piece I just had it? Oh, tripping. Right here in my hand. Look at that. Take this piece right here on this end of your air pump, your air nozzle, the air blower. Screw it on. Just like that. So basically now you're seeing that once you get this from right here, once you get all these pieces hooked in, you can just start unscrewing from right up at this connector piece, and you can apply your other pieces to it for your air pump, blower, whatever you need to do. We're gonna make it real simple. We ain't finna let all these parts right here confuse you. Cause when you need to use them, only thing you gotta do is swap out the heads on them. That's all you gotta do. But real convenient use, I'm showing you how to just hook it up so you can do what you need to do when you hook it up to your air compressor. If you need any more questions on that, I'm gonna be real with you. You might need to look at another YouTube video. I'm just trying to show you how to go on, get this on here and get on your way. And this little air pump, well, I'm sorry, not that, the little nozzle, when you want to use your little blow gun, same thing. You just screw it on the other end. Boom, it's on now. When you turn on the air pressure, boom, psst, that's what you get. Psst. All right, you dig? Pretty much it with that. Show you one more thing in here, and we're gonna be done. We ain't finna go over all them pieces. More time you done filling up something real small like an air pump. I mean like a bike tire or your tire. Just go for the ball. Yeah, your basketball, football, all that. See this little piece? All that come in the kit. Y'all see it. It's in the kit. You see the little piece right now? Look at that. Got this little hole on the end. Just okay. You get confused with the piece. You shouldn't, cause it's the only one that look like that in there. Just take it, put it on the end. What we just took this off. Just swap it out, screw that in. See that? Real simple. Look at this. Screw that in on this end. This for your wall pump. Boom, done. Pump the ball up. Deuce.